morning. Well, I just now got on the trail. It's a chilly one this morning. It's 43. I think it got down to 40 last night, the last time I looked when I woke up. So I'm ready to get moving. All of my stuff that I hung up, it doesn't dry. You know, it's humid, not like a hot humid, but a cold humid. So nothing dries. So I've got on damp socks, damp shirt, damp undies. The only dry thing are my pants because I put on new pants today. So, oh well. I guess that's just the trail life. But, all right, well, I'm going to get going and get past this little trailhead. I don't think it's a campground, but I'm going to get out of here and then I'll see you down the trail. Segment 5 is really nice so far. It's perfect. Little bit of up, not bad at all, but it's beautiful. Took me about 10 minutes and I got that coat off. It doesn't take me long to warm up. So that's why I prefer to walk in the cool weather. So yeah, well, I'm just walking along here in the nice quiet little forest thinking about food. You know, I can't help it. I'm thinking about town food and the stuff I would eat if I could. So anyway, that's what I'm doing. But all right, well, I'm going to get back to hiking. I'm going to try to hike quick. It's not a race, but I did check my weather and it's supposed to start raining a little at 1 and it's supposed to continue on until like all night into the early morning. So see, you know how the weather changes. But so my goal is to get to the end of segment 5, which I will, but I'm sure I'll have to walk in the rain again if it starts at 1. But, all right, so I'm going to get to walking. These little caterpillar things, they're all down this trail, just hanging there. I'm trying to avoid them, otherwise they're crawling all over. And that's annoying. Let's add a rock to this. I know you probably can't see it, but there's cars on a road, a highway. Oh, that's exciting. There's the highway. Well, I started walking down this dirt road. Toward the highway. And being here on this road means a lot because last year I spent some time in Denver, and when we were coming back I rode with my daughter and son-in-law, and it was just raining like crazy through here. There was a lot of traffic from 4th of July because it's July 5th, people going home. And I remember seeing people, through hikers, walking down this dirt road. And I just watched them walking and thought next year that was going to be me. And I remember seeing this one guy walking right up there, and he was at the stop sign, and he had on an orange poncho, and he was standing in the pouring rain just waiting to cross, but he had the biggest smile on his face. And I remember thinking next year, next summer, that's going to be me. And it is. Only thing is it's not raining right now. It's been pretty sunny. So, all right, I'm gonna cross and go try to find a camp spot. You know, it didn't even dawn on me that it was gonna be 4th of July weekend and that I might not find a thing. But, you know what? The Lord always provides for me, so I'm sure I'll find something. Okay, I'll see you at camp. We're walking down looking for a campsite. They said 12 was open, so it's a nice place. All right. Hello. Well, I'm in my tent. I made it through segment 5. That was my longest mileage yet. So I think that was 14.5. Yeah, so I could walk that at home when I was working out, but carrying a pack, it adds a little more weight. Plus, you know, I'm hauling all that wet stuff. So I got here and I found my camp. I found a camp spot, and I immediately started laying all my stuff out. I'll put a picture in. It looked like it was like some kind of a yard sale or an explosion. I had stuff everywhere, and the people next to me were just looking at me. But I thought, oh, hope they don't just think I'm just piling out here. I'm going to be a crappy little camp partner, but camp neighbor. So anyway, but yeah, I'm just so happy I got this place. But I got most everything dried out except for my socks, and then it kind of started sprinkling, so I threw everything into the tent again. But I did get some things. I got it dried out better than what it was. So anyway, but yeah. So then I was going to go and ask. I couldn't find where the water was at. They have water here, and so I was going to go ask the neighbors where the water was at, and the guy was walking over, and he goes, "Hey." I said, "Hi, I hate to bother you, but do you know where the water's at?" And he goes, "We have water. We'll give you some water." But he goes, "I just want to see, are you a through hiker?" And I said, "Yes." So we got to talking. He's down the trail a while back, but I was like, "So cool." So I went and visited with them, and they gave me some water. So nice. Just people are so nice. But anyway, and then I cooked my dinner. I ate soup. And before I ate, I was thinking, I don't know if it's good for someone who's hiking and you've been out for, what have I been out now, 5 days? And you come in here and everybody's cooking their delicious looking and smelling dinners. You can smell all of their food. Oh my gosh. I thought maybe hikers shouldn't come through here because all their stuff smelled so good. But anyway, I quickly whipped up my noodle soup and I ate that, and I'm perfectly fine now. But remember, I'm a foodie, and so I can smell good food and I want to eat it. But anyway, that's that. So I'm all ready. Tomorrow's supposed to be some big climbing, so I'm going to try to get some good rest. It's only 12 miles. I'm going to try to get through that whole segment, but yeah, so I want to be ready for that. But today I didn't have a challenge. There was nothing challenging. You know, there were like some little uphills, but nothing bad. And so I have an annoyance, and it is my hair. It's my hair. It's my bangs, you know, and underneath my hair. But I wear my hair in a pony, as you've seen, with my hat. But when I get to sweating, and then those little hairs tickle around on my neck, it drives me crazy. And I spend a big part of the day just trying to get that clip back up. I don't know. I'm going to maybe try something else out. Maybe I'll get my buff out and I'll just ponytail that up, and then I'll put that buff on and hold all that hair back up. I don't know. But it's driving me crazy. It's annoying. But yeah, that's my annoyance for today. And then when I get to Breckenridge, I'm either borrowing a pair of scissors or I'm buying a pair of scissors, and I'm trimming my bangs. They're in my face. They're in my eyes. I can't see. But anyway, that's that. And what I'm thankful for is that segment 5. That was beautiful. Such just like big, vast views. I mean, just mountains all around. It was gorgeous. That's my favorite segment so far. So it's beautiful. I'd go through that one again. But it was beautiful. And then my blessing is just my little camp neighbors next door, just being kind. You know, just people love to hear what you're doing and are willing to give you things. And they said later when it's dark, if you want to come back and visit and hang out at the fire, it's so nice. I mean, I'll be passed out by then, but just kindness. People, there are kind people in the world, and that's just a real blessing. So, and I think I had a double blessing. I was able to get a camp spot on 4th of July weekend. So, see, Jesus always looks out for me. Thank you, Jesus. But all right, well, I'm going to get ready for bed, and that way we can be ready for the big climb tomorrow. So, all right, see you later.